Hey Tex, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hear your musical instruments over Zoom. It will preserve your microphone and musical instrument sound. A lot of times, on the default setting, when you play your musical instrument, the sound is choppy or you don't hear it at all. Okay, let's begin. Let's first launch Zoom. Click on your icon profile that is located on the upper right hand corner. Now click on Settings. The Settings window will open. On the left hand side, click on Audio. Scroll down and locate the Audio Profile section. Select Original Sound for Musicians. Finally, X out the window on the upper left hand corner. And that's it. Real simple. Cool, right? Yes. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.